Welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to get free resume template from Google Docs or ATS-Friendly resume from Microsoft Word. First what you're gonna have to do is go to Google Docs using the link that I have added in the description. Once you are at the page, you need to click at this template gallery option. Here you will find a couple of resume format on the screen. There are other template as well for work and letters, etc. But we are going to be focusing on resume. Open the resume format that you like. For example, I'm opening this one. So as you can see, I've opened this one. If you don't like, you can go back and select some other template like this one. Yeah. So once you are on the resume, you can make the changes directly to the resume. Let's like change the location uh, as well as the add the company. So yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna add Apple and New Delhi. Yeah, something like engineer. Yeah. I can also change the headings if I want. For example, if I'm a fresher, I can change the experience to internship maybe. So let's do that. Internship, yeah. You can add your name, you can add your designation, your address. So you make the edits based on the requirement to the template. Once you are done, you can download the resume in PDF or Word format. To download, just click on the file, go to download. Yeah, here you will see that there are plenty of file format that you can download your resume in. I would recommend PDF as it doesn't cause formatting issue, but you can do Word docs as well if you want to make changes in the Microsoft Office app. So but I would recommend making changes online and downloading PDF file as it's more convenient that way. Maybe I will show you. Maybe I will download and show you one example as well. Yeah, let's do that. So yeah, like this is the resume. If I want to download, I will go here and click on PDF. Now the file, yeah, this has automatically downloaded the resume on my computer. You can see I am able to access it. If I want, I can also open it in the MS Word and I would be able to edit it as well. But you can do it directly if you want. For example, I will show you. I'm gonna download Word docs now. Yeah, let's open it. As you can see, I am also able to open this Word doc in my MS Word app. So you can go with the option that works for you. Second, I'm gonna now show you how to get free ATS template from Microsoft. I'm going to be adding the link for the same in the description below. Yeah, once using the link, you will be brought to this web page. As you can see, here are a couple of templates that you can choose from. Select the template that you like the best, whichever you want. I'm gonna open this one for just for reference. This one works similar to Google. There are now two options. I can either edit it online like Google Docs or download it in my PC and then edit in MS Word. Let's first show you that. As you can see, I am able to download the template and open it in Microsoft Word. So you can that, or you can edit it online and then download, similar to Google Docs. As you can see, this is the online version of Microsoft Word. So I can make the changes here. All the Microsoft Office features are almost present. So I will change the address. Maybe I will add New Delhi. And once I'm done with the changes, I will just download the resume. To download, you have to go to the file option go to create copy, and here you can click on the download a copy option, and it will download a Word file. If you want PDF, you can do that using the export option. Yeah. So I would recommend editing it online and then downloading it as PDF, as more Java application ask for PDF format only. Hopefully I was able to help you with this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.